Hi students, today we are going to explore the topics which are done wrongly by maximum of us. In other words, these will help us to find errors and edit the passage. It has been observed that maximum times we commit mistake on the following basis. Before finding the error, we have to check whether the passage is correct in the form or not. For example, first of all, pronoun referent we should check. Use of who or whom wrongly done. Lay and use of lay and lie in the sentences. Transition words. Subject and verb agreement. Pluralization of nouns. Use of comma in the sentence. It's and it is or it has. Effect and effect. Active and passive. So what is pronoun referent? Pronouns are used to substitute the name of a noun in the sentence to avoid repetition of the said noun. Maximum times we commit mistake in this. For example, my brother was obese when she was younger because of the food choices at home. So, whenever we use pronoun in the sentence, we should refer to the noun, whether it is masculine or feminine, and use per the use of the noun. For example, James was with his mother. It has been observed that students are committing mistake in this. That means James was with his mother. We are applying his for James only. The woman was found bathing in her own blood. Jenny is wearing a beautiful diamond necklace, a gift from her husband, not his husband James. And here, because we are applying her for Jenny in the sentence. Wrong use of who and whom. Both are used in adjective clause. But who should be used as the subject of the adjective clause and whom should be used as the object of the clause. That means who should be always written or used in front of the verb and whom should be used after the verb as it takes the place of object. For example, the man whom gave me the proposal was my senior. Since gave is the verb in the sentence, we should never use whom. We should use who in the sentence before verb. And if it comes after the verb, it will be whom. Use of lay and lie. Lay is a transitive verb that needs an object. It is totally incorrect when we use he lays. We cannot write he lays. So we have to give object after the verb. He lays the books down. That means that is the complete meaning of the lay. But lie is an intransitive verb. To lie means to recline or came to rest. So we never say we can use he lies. That lies is also falsehood or opposite of truth. So lie we can use independently or not immediate after an object. We can use lie also like he was lying on the sofa. See word sofa is an object in the sentence. We can use it after on. It's not immediate after that word only. And in case we can use it independently also. He lies. Transition words are phrases or words that are used to link one idea to the other. These words are used to show the relationship within paragraphs, but many times we don't know the meaning of the word and we use it randomly. For example, in addition and in contrast. In addition, when we are using one more sentence to the same idea. And in contrast is when we are giving any other opposite idea to the in the paragraph. For example, they say that health is wealth. Hence, it is important to eat the right kind of foods and exercise. That means we are giving reason to our idea. So, in another sentence, we are using additionally. We are adding one more idea to the same point. Vegetables are good for one's health. Additionally, fruits that are rich in vitamins and minerals also can keep us healthy. Most important is whenever we go through errors in the sentence or in the passage, we should check subject verb agreement. Singular subject takes a singular verb, plural subject takes a plural verb. So how we commit mistake in subject verb agreement? Let's go through. Everybody in the world knows that English is widely spoken. But many times it happens we use know that English is widely spoken. Everybody is singular here, so know should be the verb. S should be used along with the verb because everybody is a singular subject. A number of students have. We always use along with the students have word only, and many times we have student word in front of the as used with the collective noun. That time it should be used has. They talk. They is the plural Pronoun or plural subject, talk goes with along with that. And many times, pluralization of nouns is done wrongly. Plural form of most nouns is created simply by adding the letter s. For example, book, books, boy, boys. Words that end in ch, x, s or s like sounds, however, will require an es for the plural and sometimes totally different. For example, tooth to teeth, hobby, hobbies, bacterium, bacteria, witch, witches, gum, gums, box, boxes, boy, boys, lady, ladies, room, rooms. Use of comma. A misplaced comma changes the meaning of the totally sentence. For example, let's eat grandma. Let's eat, comma, grandma. The first sentence suggests us to eat grandma, which is totally a wrong sentence. In another sentence, while the second sentence suggests us an invitation, let's eat, grandma. Use the comma properly, otherwise it would be a big mess. It's and it is. It's is an adjective. It's is always used in front of the noun. And it is a contraction of it is, or some cases it has. It's a blue bird. It is a blue bird. Its wings are blue. It is our neighbor's dog. Its wings. Since wings is the noun word, it becomes the adjective of the sentence. Effect and effect. Effect is the verb, effect is the noun. The typhoon has affected a lot of cities in the south. Affected has been used as a verb in the sentence. Its effect can be felt everywhere. So, effect is a noun, something which we name. The damages brought by the earthquake will affect the tourism by the town. So, again, verb is used. And last but not least, active or passive. When we use the sentences in our answers, converting to it in the answers, so we always should take care of voice, that is active and passive. In the active voice, the subject is doing the action. The passive voice suggests the subject is the receiver of the action. Whenever we have a passage in the form of question answers, that time we have this type of mistake, active passive mistake. So I have a complete video of active and passive. Please go through into that to have a correct information about active and passive. Thank you. Hope you must have understood how we can do editing in a passage.